Hĩndĩ igongona rĩa mathiko ma ũrĩa ũrarĩ mũnene wa mbirarũ bũrũri-inĩ General Francis Ogolla, rĩtana rĩa ũthuthuria kinyi gũtabanio nĩguo gũkũrana kĩrĩa kĩracũngĩrĩirie mũtino wa ndege nĩ rĩthamakĩte makĩria kuma kũrĩ atongoria a mũng'ethanĩro.
It was an accident, but even though it is an accident, in this region we have had many such accidents, and we have also had assassination of leaders from this region. So when such things happen, we are a bit suspicious, not because of anything, but we want to know the truth. We want to know the truth.
When an accident occurs, it's a security issue. There are security concerns which deserve an answer for the nation.
The matter of General Ogolla goes beyond our sister Eileen and our beautiful kids. It's a national thing. For the truth must come out.
President oigĩte gũtirĩ ũndũ ũkũhithanio na arĩ na mwĩhoko na honge cia ũgitĩri gũtabania ũthuthuria ũtarĩ na ũcuke.
I know the KDF are as concerned as I am, and indeed the family and every Kenyan, on the life of General Ogolla. And I want to assure the country that the KDF, our Kenya Air Force, have the requisite integrity and professionalism to make sure that there will be no shroud of doubt on what happened to General Ogolla.
Kũrũmĩrĩra ciũria nyingĩ cia ũrĩa mũnene wa mbirarũ arakuĩrĩire mũtino-inĩ wa ndege, ĩndĩ nĩwe mũtwarithia wa ndege cia kĩmbirarũ woma na mũndũ ũrĩa mũgitĩre mũno, President nĩ ateneirie mĩhuhu o yothe akiuga gũtirĩ njũragano cia mũthemba o wothe thirikari-inĩ yake ingĩtĩkĩrĩka.
It is true, we have lost many Kenyans because of extrajudicial killings. It is also true that we have lost many Kenyans because of political assassinations. There shall never be again extrajudicial killings or political assassinations.
You people know we lost Tom Mboya in very tragic circumstances. We lost Ouko in very tragic circumstances. And when we lost Ouko, I was part and parcel of the team of parliament which was investigating the death of Ouko. And I can tell you it was very sad because the regime at that time managed to convince the family to be very protective and not to allow people to go into details.
Family ya General Ogolla yũrĩtio gwĩtĩkĩria ũthuthuria kinyi ũtabanio atongoria a gĩcigo kĩa Nyanza makiuga rĩrĩ rita rĩa mbere marathika mũtongoria wa gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ kuma gĩtaro-inĩ kĩu kumana na ikuũ irĩ na ũcuke.
I want to ask our uncle, the general's son, not to be impatient with us. It is not because of anything. It is just because once beaten, twice shy. So we are asking for no stones to be left unturned, and let us know the truth of who killed our uncle, General Ogolla.
And the first rule in investigations is that you don't rule anything out. If you want to carry a true investigation, don't leave anything out. So we want to be assured that nothing will be left out so that the truth comes out.
Hĩndĩ ĩyo ya ũteti wa hĩndĩ ya gĩthurano kĩa mwaka wa 2022 ndũnaga kwĩyumĩria kũrĩa General Ogolla erĩkanaga nĩ ũmwe wa arĩa mathiĩte Bomas kũgeria kũgarũrania moimĩrĩra ma gĩthurano. Minister wa ũgitĩri wa mĩhaka Aden Duale oigĩte General Ogolla nĩ gũthing'ĩrĩrio athing'agĩrĩrio nĩ anene yake athiĩ Bomas na ndarĩ na ũndũ o wothe na moimĩrĩra ma gĩthurano.
He asked and sent a text message to his bosses and asked, what am I going to do in Bomas? And this has happened. And General Ogolla was told, it's been decided, you go. And I'm narrating what General Ogolla today, he's lying here, this man told me when he went to Bomas, the then chairman of IBC, he told me, kept them for 5 hours.
Oho General Ogolla ni ashakaitwo ta mutongoria ureheanite kuri bururi akiganwo ni winyihia wake na uria aragarurite miturire ya andu aingi nginya itura-ini riake ria Ng'ia kaunti-ini ya Siaya.
A decorated general, a career military strategist, an accomplished fighter pilot, a competent and focused team leader, a humble, kind man.
As a military, the loss that we have felt, and once again assure His Excellency that as the General would have wanted, we continue to soldier on and ensure the security of this country.
General Ogolla was a fine airman. Above all, he was a leader, he was a commander, and he was a mentor to all of us.
General Ogolla ahurukitio kuringana na wendi wake ohanitwo na mashuka gutari ithanduku. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mwangi wa Maina.